Guys, have you ever thought that a small kitchen can look absolutely luxurious and modern? In today's video, I'm going to show you a beautiful kitchen that will completely blow your mind. Guys, today's main focus is all about color combinations, because that's where the real magic happens. In this kitchen, I've used some stunning and eye-catching colors like mint green, soft peach, bold tiger lily orange, olive green, taupe gray brown, and a soft honey pink shade. But guys, we're not done yet. At the end of this video, I'm going to reveal a surprise color that most people would never even think about using in their kitchen. Honestly, I wasn't a fan of this color myself at first. But the way I've combined it, you're going to be shocked when you see the result. So guys, don't scroll away. Make sure you watch this video till the end. And don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. Let's jump into this amazing kitchen tour.